Hello friends, my name is Bhujwal Pratisha. So today I am going to talking about skeletal system and muscular system. So first one is the skeletal system. The skeletal system is function as the basic framework of our body, and the entire body are built around the hard framework of skeletal. It provides support, protection, movement and various physiological function. It composed of bones, cartilage, ligaments and tendons. So one by one we can see the components of skeletal system. So first one is the bones. So bones is the primary structural component of skeletal system. There are there are 200 bones in adult human body. Bones are composed of hard outer layer called as a cortical bone and spongy inner layer known as a cancellulose bone. Then second one is the cartilage. Cartilage is the connective tissue that is less rigid than bone but are more solid than other soft tissues. Then it covers the end of bones at joints and providing cushioning and reducing friction during the movement. Then it is a most well-known type of cartilage is a hyaline cartilage which cover the articular surface of bone. Then third one is the ligaments. So ligaments are tough fibrous band of connective tissues that connects bone to the bone at joints. They provide stability to joints and limit excessive movement. Then third one is the tendons. So tendons are strong fibrous cords that attach to muscles to bones. Then they are transmit the force generated by muscles contractions uh, to the bones which allowing the movement. Then tendons are essential for mobility and responsible for mechanical link between muscles and bones. Now talking about the functions of skeletal system. So first one is the support, second one is the protection, movement, mineral storage, blood cell production, storage fat and hormone regulation. And these are the some function of skeletal systems. Then now talking about the muscular system. So what is a muscular system? It is a complex network of muscles in the human body that play a central role in movement, stability, posture and heat generation. It is responsible for various voluntary and involuntary actions. So types of muscles. First one is the skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle, also known as a voluntary muscle, which attached to bones by tendons, and it is responsible for the voluntary movement, walking, talking and lifting object. Then second one is the smooth muscle. So smooth muscle found in the walls of internal organ like as digestive tract, blood vessel and respiratory passage. Then third one is the cardiac muscle. So cardiac muscle is present in a heart. Then it combines characteristics of both skeletal and smooth muscles. Cardiac muscle contracts rhythmically to pump the blood throughout the body. Then now talking about the anatomy of muscular system. First one, muscle fibers. Muscle fibers are the individual cells that make up skeletal muscles that contain myofibrils, which are composed of sarcomeres and responsible for the muscle contraction. Then connective tissue. Connective tissue is a various layers of connective tissue surround and support skeletal muscle. Then these include epimyosium that is surrounding a entire muscle. Then perimyosium around fascicles and bundles of muscle fibers. Then now talking about tendon. Strong fibers connective tissue that attaches muscles to bones, allowing the transmission of force generated during muscle contraction. Muscle contraction with the help of actin and myosin. Sarcomeres contain a two type of filaments, that is actin and myosin, in which muscle contraction occur when Myosin hits to bind actin filaments. That is all about the muscular system. Thank you so much.